In a verdant Indian jungle, life was a vibrant mosaic of sounds and colors. This jungle was home to an array of animals, including Sundar the elephant, Nimki the deer, Ravi the rabbit, Pari the parrot, and Tinku the mischievous monkey. The animals were excitedly preparing for their annual Festival of Lights, a celebration that brought together all the creatures of the jungle. The festival was a time of joy, where everyone decorated their homes with glowing lanterns and feasted together. Sundar, with his gentle wisdom, was the unofficial leader, ensuring everyone participated and had fun. As the festival drew near, the jungle buzzed with activity. Nimki and Pari were in charge of making beautiful lanterns, while Ravi and Tinku gathered food and decorations. Sundar oversaw the preparations, his wise eyes twinkling with joy. One evening, as the preparations were in full swing, a strange figure entered the jungle. It was a small, scruffy fox named Tez, who looked weary and hungry. The animals were initially wary of the newcomer, but Sundar, with his kind heart, welcomed Tez and offered him food and water. Tez thanked Sundar and the other animals. "I have been wandering for days," he said, "and I stumbled upon your beautiful jungle. I am very grateful for your kindness." Sundar smiled. "You are welcome here, Tez. We are preparing for our Festival of Lights. Would you like to join us?" Tez's eyes lit up. "I would love to. I have never seen such a festival before." The next morning, a commotion stirred in the jungle. Nimki and Pari's beautifully crafted lanterns were missing. The animals searched everywhere but couldn't find them. Panic began to set in as the festival was just a day away. Ravi hopped up to Sundar. "What should we do, Sundar? Without the lanterns, the festival won't be the same." Sundar thought for a moment. "We must not jump to conclusions. Let's search the jungle thoroughly. Tinku, can you and Tez help look for the lanterns? Meanwhile, the rest of us will continue with the preparations." Tinku and Tez set off to search the jungle. As they walked, Tinku noticed Tez looking nervous. "Is everything all right, Tez?" Tinku asked. Tez hesitated before speaking. I need to tell you something. I didn't just stumble upon your jungle. I came here because I was driven out of my home for stealing. I didn't mean to, but I was hungry." Tinku stopped and looked at Tez. "Did you take the lanterns, Tez?" Tez hung his head. "Yes, I did. I thought I could sell them to get food. I'm sorry, Tinku. I didn't know how kind you all were." Tinku looked at Tez and saw the regret in his eyes. "You need to tell Sundar and the others," Tinku said gently. "They will understand, but you must return the lanterns." Tez nodded, and they headed back to the heart of the jungle. Sundar and the other animals were still busy preparing when Tez and Tinku arrived. Sundar noticed their serious expressions. "What is it, Tinku?" Tez stepped forward. "I have something to confess. I took the lanterns. I was wrong and I am very sorry. I will return them." The animals gasped, but Sundar's wise eyes softened. "Thank you for telling the truth, Tez. Everyone makes mistakes, but it takes courage to admit them. Let's all work together to prepare for the festival." With Tez's help, the lanterns were quickly returned, and the final preparations for the festival were completed. The animals forgave Tez, and he was touched by their kindness. He decided to stay in the jungle and help in any way he could. The night of the festival arrived, and the jungle was aglow with the warm light of the lanterns. The animals danced, sang, and shared a feast, celebrating not just the Festival of Lights but also the power of forgiveness and the importance of giving others a second chance. Sundar, standing in the glow of the lanterns, addressed the gathering. "Tonight we celebrate light, love and unity. We also celebrate Tez, who has shown us that everyone deserves a second chance. Let us continue to welcome others with kindness and open hearts. The festival ended, but the spirit of unity and forgiveness lingered in the jungle. Tez became a beloved member of the community, always ready to help and share his own stories of redemption. He and Tinku became close friends, often seen playing and working together. The jungle thrived with the renewed sense of togetherness. Sundar's wise leadership, Nimki and Pari's creativity, Ravi's energy, Tinku's playfulness, and Tez's newfound dedication made the jungle a wonderful place to live. As time passed, the story of Tez's arrival and the Festival of Lights became a cherished tale in the jungle. It was told to the young ones as a lesson in forgiveness, the importance of honesty, and the power of community. The animals learned that true light comes from within, shining brightest when shared with others. The jungle remained a beacon of harmony and love, its inhabitants living the lessons of their Festival of Lights every day. And so, the jungle continued to flourish, a testament to the power of kindness, the beauty of forgiveness, and the strength of unity. Subscribe to the channel for more interesting stories.